Hi, this is a quick demo of the new NETLab Toolkit HTML5 widgets. So these are similar to the Flash widgets that we already have, but now they're completely HTML. There's no Flash involved. So you just go to this URL you can see here, netlabtoolkit.org/HTML5 widgets, and you have an interface and you can start building a project that talks to Arduino and many other devices. Let's get started. So first I'm going to add an analog in widget. So we just click on the analog in button there, and then we can move that around and place it wherever we want. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect to the Arduino. There we go, and you can see that now as I turn the knob that's attached to port 0 on the Arduino, the widget reflects that in your browser. Okay, let's make this a little more interesting, and let's add an image that we can move around on stage. So I'm going to go to my media button here, select an image. There we go. And let's move this a little out of the way. And then I'm going to add a clip control widget to the stage. And as soon as that's added, you can see now that as I move the knob, we're moving that graphic around. And I can even move that graphic to other places on stage, and still it's controlled by the knob. Now notice also with the clip control widget that I can control other properties. Right now we're controlling the X position, but I can control the Y position. So I can move that up and down. And I can control the rotation. And lastly, I can control the alpha. Now, this is an early version of the widgets. This will become a drop-down soon, but this is just for testing purposes. Anyway, so the clip control can control these graphics on the screen, and soon you'll also be able to control video and HTML text. Okay, now let's affect an output on the Arduino. I'm going to add an analog out widget to the stage. There it is, and you can see that it's listening to the analog in, and if I go ahead and connect to the Arduino, it's now, as you can see, controlling the brightness of the LED. So this is using one of the PWM outs, port 3, and there you have it, controlling a knob, all using just the hub in the background and these HTML5 based widgets. Now, if you wanted to change anything about how the widgets work, you simply click and go to the params, and then you could change the instance name or which controller you want to talk to, Arduino, XBee, OSC, or hub feed, controller input, and so on. And these parameters are available on all the widgets. Lastly, I just want to show you that you can get rid of the widgets. So once you've completed your application and you want to run without seeing what the widgets are doing, you just click on the Show Hide Widgets, and now I can still turn the knob, and that's still affecting the brightness of the LED and also moving the graphic on the screen. Okay, so that's a demo of the HTML5 NETLab Toolkit widgets. Thanks a lot.